is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Man, I am wiped. That sun kicked my arse today. It is 14:07, aka 2 o'clock. GoPro is over here charging. My t-shirt that I wore here at Copart is soaked, like soaked, wet with sweat. I sweat my ass off. Congratulations to oh, you know what? This is going to go up before my Copart video. So, congratulations to somebody who's going to win this cash right here on the second Copart walk around this week. Again, major shout out to our friends over at eDiag Scan Tools. They make these, so major shout out to them. They are the ones that have sponsored the last giveaway for 500, and they are sponsoring.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left onto I-95 south toward Lumberton.
All right. They are sponsoring today's giveaway. So I just left Copart in... Oh, wow. Hold on. There's the police. Am I speeding? I just left Copart up at...
Keep left.
At Dunn. And I am now heading down to the Lumberton.
For 34 miles, continue straight.
I am now heading down to the Lumberton Copart before the GPS keeps interrupting me, damn it. Because I had to do some paperwork for a vehicle that finally has showed up. I won this at another Copart and it came in. I was able to get it transported over there. It's a partnership thing that I'm doing. You guys will see it soon. So if you see like a sponsored thing from Copart, then you'll see why. Anyways, so I'm heading down there to get that done, but I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about the giveaway video. As of today, when I'm going to publish this video, we are 5 days away from giving away at least 2 cars. And we have benchmarks that'll still be up and available for us to give away this 2019 Chevy Tahoe Midnight Edition. Look at this dumbass. Look at this dumbass. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into that. Let's talk about some of the things with the giveaway, just because I think there's some people that are just not understanding. I've already looked through, you know, just doing some tests, checking people that are subbed on all the channels and their subscriptions are not public. We're going to talk a little bit about that so that we don't have any issues when we pick the winners this time. All right, guys. Let's see if I keep the damn thing on the road, huh? So, the main issue that we're having right now is a lot of you guys that have entered, and believe me, people have clearly not followed the rules, right? There's like 1,100 comments. Let me pull out the other phone and I'll show you real quick. I'm going to tell you how many entries we have right now as soon as my my Black Shark boots here in a minute. But anyways, let's say there's like 1,100 entries or 1,100 comments on my channel, right? But then there's other videos on the giveaway where there's like 1,300 comments, To be clear, in order to win the car, and this is very simple, guys, in order to win these cars, you just have to comment on each person's individual giveaway video. I don't want what happened this time, what happened last time. We went through, we pulled 14 times, and 14 times, and that was only with just me and Randy's channel. 14 times people didn't follow simple directions. We didn't make anybody buy merch. We're not making anybody buy a raffle ticket. Nobody had to blow their neighbor. Nobody had to do anything, you know, untowards or crazy, all right? All they had to do was make sure that you're subscribed to the channels on the list in the giveaway videos, comment on each person's giveaway video, and that's it. It can't get any more simple than that, guys. Boy, I ain't got the patience today. Can you tell? You know? So, a couple of things that need to happen. They just absolutely have to happen. I need you guys that are entered in on the giveaway to make sure your subscriptions are public. Go in, and I know some people, I don't want people to know who I'm subscribed to. Look, man, if you're already a little or you're on some funny shit, nobody's gonna care if you're subscribed to My Little Pony. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's gonna care if you're subscribed to, how do I bleach my asshole? I'm done. I'm trying to make it. I hope I made y'all laugh, but I'm being serious though. Nobody really cares what you're subscribed to. Just make sure that your subscriptions are turned to public. That's it. This is not difficult, all right? Make sure that your subscriptions are public. And if you have that way, when we pick, if your comment gets picked, we can immediately go to it. We can see that you're subscribed to Lucky. You're subscribed to T Rose. You're subscribed to Millie's World. You're subscribed to New York in your city. You're subscribed to Austin Carr. Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. More with TK and right here at TK's Garage. It's that simple, man. Because what I don't want to happen is somebody wins the car and they could have really used it and they just didn't follow the rules and they forgot to comment on Millie's video, or they forgot to comment on Lucky's video, or they forgot to comment on T Rose's video. I don't know. By the way, since you're watching today, I don't want to waste your time. I want to thank you guys for coming in here and spending your time to be here today to watch today's video. And being that as it is or as it may, I don't know. Regardless, I'm doing an Amazon gift card giveaway again at the end of today's video. Real simple. You guys don't like me dropping the code because y'all say somebody's claiming it too fast. So what I'm going to do is, damn, is that a gray mamba? Look, this is the black mamba. That's the gray mamba. Do y'all see that? Nice. I like it. I like it a lot. That's a good color. Anyways, I will pick one comment at random in the chat while we are live in this premiere right now, and I will be giving you an Amazon gift card. One caveat to that though, you got to be following me on Instagram. So if you win, when I pick you right now, or later on in the video, in the live chat, you have to comment in the live chat with your @Instagram username so I can contact you via Instagram and send you your Amazon gift card. Fair? I think that's more than fair. If you don't have an Instagram, where's my L at? I don't think the L, I moved the L to the Aspen. I don't have the L with me right now. But wait a minute. Let me stop. If you don't have an Instagram, I'm sorry, but you're SOL. That sucks for a lot of you, and I understand that, but that's just the rules. If you want me to do it where I'm not just dropping the code and somebody claims it, that's how we're going to do it. Anyways, the giveaway is working good. Let's do a couple of updates on the vehicle. The Oldsmobile is done. It's been sitting there since whenever. I know Randy has moved it around a few times. Titles are all rebuilt. Everything is ready to go. You don't have to pay anything. That was the other thing that I've seen in the comments. Oh, people are going to have to pay taxes when they get the title from you, TK. Bullshit. They're not going to pay any taxes. Now, I don't have any control what your state charges you when you bring the title to your state. When we sell you or give you this car, we're going to give you the car what it's sold for at Copart, right? So on the title, if you go to register it in whatever state you're from, you're going to pay the taxes on the $175. Big fucking deal, all right? I'm sorry. But if you can't handle $175 in taxes, which is going to be like $30 for you to register, $40 for you to register your car in most states, I don't know what to tell you. So, but somebody said they were going to have to pay like $400 and all this other shit. No, not unless your state has some outrageous fee for you to switch a title. But the Oldsmobile is ready to go. No, it hasn't been painted. It is still a hodgepodge of colors. But maybe when I come to Oklahoma, I'll bring a lot of this, and maybe I'll give the winner of the maybe I'll meet the winner of the Oldsmobile halfway, and I'll give them like $100 or $150. Maybe, it depends. I gotta see, because some people might be coming from like Maine or some shit, and I'm gonna have to help them with their airfare to come pick up the car in the first place. So we'll see. But anywho's, the Oldsmobile is ready to go. what's the story with the Jetta? The Jetta is all sorted, man. The Jetta was expensive. I'm not gonna lie. This is the most expensive giveaway car monetarily that I've put money into. The Oldsmobile was 175 bucks, 360 after fees at Copart, and then hood was 80 bucks. Fender was 80 bucks. That's another 160. So what's that? 520. And then the front fascia and all that was another 130. So that's 650. What else did we put on it? Did we do anything else to it? I thought we did something else to it. I know I'm about $700 or so into the, then your taxes and fees for switching the title. So I'm probably $830 into the Oldsmobile that we're giving away in 5 days. The Jetta was one for 500 and something bucks. It was 830 something at IAA out the door. The air conditioning system, after everything, you know, money and stuff that I put into it, we're looking at around 300 bucks. The tent, to get the tent replaced and fixed in that, was another 100. So I'm about 1,200 bucks into that car. So this giveaway this month was about $2,000. That's if we don't give away the black mamba, which could happen if we hit the giveaway benchmarks. If you want to know more about that and how we're giving away the 2019 Tahoe, go check out the full giveaway video, which is right here on the channel, or any of the channels that are listed in here that we talked about earlier. That said, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to chop it up with you guys for a few minutes and explain to you guys what was going on with the giveaway. We're 5 days away. It is the 22nd. We are pulling winners on the 27th. The first winner will get their choice of car, Oldsmobile or Jetta. The second winner, well, you get whatever's left. It's that simple. So if you want to be in there like swimwear, it's real simple. Don't comment on today's video to enter the giveaway. Go comment on the giveaway video. And again, make sure you follow all the rules. It's real simple, folks. Damn, it's so easy. Make sure that you're subscribed to all the channels on the giveaway. Make sure that you comment on everybody's giveaway video. And just to be damn respectful, hit the thumbs up button on everybody's videos. That's it. It's that easy. If you can't do that, hold this L. You know what I'm saying? Because when I pull your name, if you don't follow all the rules and you got pulled as a winner and you didn't follow all the guidelines, I'm trolling. Like, you're getting roasted. I'm telling you right now, you're getting roasted. I'm gonna roast you live on the giveaway thing. You're getting roasted. You're getting roasted. It's gonna happen. So make sure, like, don't don't get roasted. Win a car, okay? Follow the rules. It's that easy. That said, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. It was kind of an update video on the giveaway stuff. I have a Copart walk around that is awesome. Awesome. Coming for you guys tomorrow with it's awesome. That's all I can tell you. It's awesome. Even though my GoPro overheated like 5 freaking times. But with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for tuning in to today's video. And at this point in the video, we're going to go ahead and pick somebody from the live chat. I need to stop that. Randomizer music. We're going to pick somebody right now, live in the chat, to win an Amazon gift card. Now, this is me talking to myself. All right, dumbass. Pick somebody and put their name in there and make sure that they comment their Instagram name. Now, for y'all that are watching, make sure that you comment your Instagram name in the chat if I say you won. Okay, not if you didn't win. This is for the winner. If I say you're the winner in the chat right now, I need you to comment your Instagram username. If you comment that you don't have an Instagram, what are we going to say, guys? Next! We got to go to the next one. Sorry, that's just how we got to do it. So if you don't have an Instagram, go get one. Make sure you follow me at TK's Garage, just because. And let's give away this Amazon gift card now. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, we were talking about this now that the Black Shark booted up. while we're picking a winner, let me open up my analytics and show you guys. Somebody said, oh, TK's giving away all these cars because he makes all this money on YouTube. Oh, yeah, right. I actually lost money this month, all right? Remember I told you we gave away $2,000 in cars. I've given away cash of my own money, 2 giveaways in cash, and multiple Amazon gift cards. That's how much money the channel has made this month. Channel made about $1,500. That's not bad. But we gave away about $2,200 in cars. Oops. So right now, I'm running at a loss. The channel's running at about a $600 loss. My goal, this is the goal of the channel, the goal is to get our membership status up high enough to a point where the memberships basically pay for the car giveaways. So if you haven't become a member, if you're not part of the membership squad yet, you can do that. There is a button down below that says join. You can pick whatever tier you want, and you can be part of the membership squad. And all the membership money, every dollar from the membership money goes in, well, basically every dollar on the YouTube channel right now goes into the giveaway cars each month. But as the channel grows, obviously we're going to make more money. I assume that at some point I will get a return on my investment. I'm assuming. We'll see. But it is what it is. Yo, Hertz. Yo, shout out to Hertz. Hertz has made me not hurt so much, okay? I've made some good money on Hertz. I promise I'm going to get back to the comments, how many comments are posted and people entered into the giveaway here in just a second. But Hertz, man, where are they at? Let me open HTZ. Man, it was at $1.58 this morning. But it opened up higher. Okay, so I bought, it sold. It was at 158 last night. It opened at 164, went to 166. I had to sell at 163, and I bought some last night at 158. So I'm happy. A win is a win. I'm going to take it every single time. There's no fees on Robinhood, so that's all profit. Now I know some of y'all are like, but you only made like 1% or 1 point something, 1% or almost 1%. That's 1% of free money on 11 grand. I'll take it. All right, back to the comments. Y'all want to see how many comments are on the giveaway video that are entered. Let's get into that right now. All right, so I've now picked a winner by now. I know I have. I've picked a winner by now, and I mentioned you. I need make sure you put your Instagram in the chat so you can get this Amazon gift card, damn it. All right, let's go to the giveaway video that has 9,000 views, 1,119 comments. Again, 1,119 comments. But other people's channels have even more comments. But I know at least on my end that there's at least 1,119 entries for the giveaway. So if you haven't commented on everybody's giveaway video yet, this is your last notice to go do it. Anyways, with that said, I want to thank everybody for watching to the end of the video. Congrats to the winner of our Amazon gift card giveaway, which we put right here at the end of the video. I really appreciate it. And because I'm just feeling stupidly generous today, I'm going to do one in the comments too. So at the end of this video, when this becomes a video, in the comment section down below, if you put a comment down into the comment section down below at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, I'll go ahead and pick another winner from the comments and get your Instagram name too. So we'll do 2 Amazon giveaways, one on the live chat and one for the replay crew. I think that's fair. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you guys tomorrow on the Copart walk around. See ya.